Unearthing the Meaning of Plant Shot. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're going to unravel the mystery behind the phrase, plant shot. It's a term that might pop up in various contexts, and understanding it can add a fascinating layer to your English comprehension. Let's dig in and find out what this phrase really means. Before we talk about plant shot, let's understand the word plant. Typically, plant refers to a living organism that's usually green and grows in the earth. However, in English, words can have many meanings depending on the context. Plant can also mean to place something firmly, like planting your feet on the ground. So, keep in mind that context is key. When we bring the two words together to form the phrase, plant shot, it's not a commonly used term with a definition found in standard dictionaries. This suggests that it's either a specialized term used in a specific field or context, or it could be a colloquial expression or slang. Possible contexts. 1. Photography or film. It could refer to a still or scene where a plant is the main subject, focusing on capturing its essence. 2. Sports. In sports like basketball, planting can refer to setting one's feet in preparation to shoot. So, a plant shot might be an attempt to score after planting one's feet. 3. Gardening. It might be used metaphorically to describe the action of taking a picture of the moment when a plant is placed in the soil. 4. Gaming. In video games, particularly those involving strategy or defense, plant shot might be a term for a screenshot or a scene depicting the planting of an item or a unit. Understanding the context is crucial in deciphering the meaning behind plant shot. To accurately understand plant shot, we need to look at the surrounding text or conversation. Here's how you can approach it. Ask for clarification. If someone uses the term, don't hesitate to ask them to explain what they mean. Observe the context. Look at what was being discussed before the phrase was used. This can offer clues. Consider the audience. Who is using the term? A filmmaker, a photographer, a sports coach, or a gamer? This can help narrow down the meaning. The beauty of language lies in its diversity and adaptability. Phrases like plant shot remind us that English is a living, evolving language with room for creativity and new expressions. I hope this exploration has shed some light on the phrase for you. Keep asking questions and nurturing your curiosity, just like you would with a plant. Until next time, happy learning!